Well, I went for a routine physical, which is in May of every year, and I'll never forget, he put that stethoscope right up here on his chest and says, "This thing is ripping." And I said, "What's that?" He goes, "The aortic valve." And come to find out, it was a condition called aortic stenosis, in which your aortic valve starts to narrow.
And it puts a lot of work on the heart. Blood starts backing up and you get short of breath. You may have chest pain, you have easy fatigability, and if left untreated, it will cause premature death.
So when I went into this physical in May, I had a feeling my life was fixing to change forever, and it did, but it did for the good reason. And we set up to have an aortic valve replaced 3 weeks later. I was scared, but I knew the person I wanted to do it was Dr. Granger.
Met Robert through his late wife. She was a fabulous intensive care unit nurse here who I worked with for years. She used to take care of a lot of my post-operative patients and did a great job with it. I hope that means that she appreciated my work, and I was very honored and privileged that Robert would decide to stay here and have us take care of him.
I had a lot of support, my community, my faith. I had my faith, my family, my friends. And I had a lot of community support. LCU, their baseball team, gave me a autographed jersey before I went into surgery. And actually I wore that jersey the morning of surgery. So I knew I had a lot of people supporting me, and that's what got me through it. It was a team effort, and I can't thank Refuge Regional enough for what they've done for me. 2 days after surgery, and Dr. Granger came into my room on 3A, and he told me, he goes, "I don't want you sitting in that chair, and I don't want you laying on that couch. I want you up moving." The key to, recovering from open heart surgery like mine is get up and move and walk. Those words will continue to resonate with me, forever. Thank you for doing what you do best, and it's to save lives.
He's kind of got his life back. He's able to get out and do the things that he wants to do. That's what we call a good result.
That man saved me and took care of me. He actually touched my heart, literally. And sometimes when you touch someone's heart, great things come out of it.